Hello everyone, welcome to another video lesson. To become a successful forex trader, you must learn a strategy that has an edge. Well, you can learn price action, but price action actually require you to sit in front of the computer and look at the candles when the candles finish, and is kind of complicated. But if you learn supply and demand trading strategy, then you can pre-analyze the market and you can place order like buy limit order or sell limit order, and then you can just trade the 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour time frame. Of course you will have to check as well the higher time frame, but you can place your entries on the smaller time frame. So you will have to just look at your trading chart maybe once in the morning, once in the evening, so you can still have a lot of time for your full-time job or anything else you want to do in life. So supply and demand is the most powerful trading strategy in forex trading or stock trading or crypto trading. So today I'm going to show you two very beautiful trades that I recently executed and made money, and I will show you and I will explain you everything about these two trades. Let's begin. Okay, here this is the weekly chart of GBP New Zealand dollar, and as you can see the market was going up. Well, of course people say trend is our friend, but trend is our friend until it meets with opposite force, stronger force. So this uptrend actually was met with strong downtrend, strong key levels, strong supply, very strong supply here. Okay, so this uptrend actually now is about to end because of that strong supply zone here. So when I saw this, that market actually in that area of supply, I went down to 4-hour chart. Okay, so in that 4-hour chart, as we know that this is our weekly area. Okay, when market was in this area, I actually draw a trend line. I connected these two to these two bellies here. Belly is a B shape, so I connected these two belly here. Well, and after that, after I connected these two belly, we have a beautiful break of this trend line. Also we had a break of the structure right here. Well, you can say the break of the structure, and not only that, this move here, see here, this one here, this is a drop, we have a base and drop. Okay, so this CP here, we call it a CP. This CP here actually broken this structure as well, and this structure as well, and the move was very strong. You see, one candle, two candle, three very impulsive candle. Let me just clear it or clean it. Okay, so this CP here was extremely strong. So whenever I saw this CP, I drew an order block just like that. Let me just make it like here. You see, just like that. And my profit target was actually just right here. So I placed, actually after I saw this CP, I placed a sell limit order here, and I keep the trade until here. So I made about 4.5% on this trade. So the trade was simple. We had a weekly supply area, and from the weekly supply area we went down to 4-hour chart, and then we draw a trend line here, and this trend line was broken by a CP. That CP actually dropped, base drop, that CP taken out major structures, major structures 1 2, and then we placed the order, and then we went down to daily chart for our take profit, and then we entered the trade. So we made 4.5% more. Now let me show you another trade. Now we are on NGD, Canadian dollar chart. In this chart you can see this one here is a drop, we have a base, and we have a drop. So the structure was broken, you know, it was a strong move down. So we have got a new point of interest just right here. Okay, so that's a weekly chart. So we went down to 4-hour chart, and on that 4-hour chart I actually, you know, there was, you know, on that 4-hour chart we didn't have a, you know, this previous move was so strong, so we had these two bellies, belly 1 and we have a belly 2. So what we did actually, we just connected these two trend line here. Okay, so we connected this belly here and this belly here. And I drew a trend line like this, and you know, this move was so strong, we have to order CPs. So this move here, as you know, the yellow area is our weekly area. So this move here, it was so strong and impulsive, it has actually taken out this. So it took out this move here, actually took out this belly and also this CP. Okay, so this move actually took out both of them. So what I did actually, after I saw this, that I went, you know, I had to draw an order block, and I went to 6-hour chart, and I could draw the order block like this. Okay, like this. But then I saw, you know, what I do when I see as a big order block, something like that, when it's an order block is big, I take the whole area. Okay, the whole area. Then I take, you can also take, I take the fib, you know, or you can also take here. So this fib here actually is a preset. This is the 50%, this red area here is the 50%, this one. Okay, so what I do actually, I then place an order here, you know, at that 50% area. Yeah, I could go to the lower time frame and find the order block, but I don't want to do that, you know. I just want to keep things simple, and it works every time. It works last 7 years, so it's gonna work also next 70 years. Okay, and then actually right now I'm still in the trade, and I actually saw the market, and I want to hold this trade, you know, until here, until this area here, because the trend, it looks good, everything looks good, and market is have a momentum. So I'm just going to make 8% on this trade. Well, right now I went to break even, and I actually placed another trade here. Let me just clean it. See here, this 4-hour chart, we have another order block. If market come back, you know, market pull back, then I have another order block right here on that 4-hour chart. But I don't think market will go that high, but if market goes, then I have I actually placed an alert here. So while if market goes up, then I will be entering in another trade. Well guys, thanks for watching, and if you like my video, please remember to subscribe and watch the full video and take notes. Thank you.